Now here we need to find the value of a and b, right? Now they tell you this is equal to this. That means definitely this one you can write like this way, right? So what you have to do here, actually this is like completing square. This is a completing square, that kind of question you need to know here. But the to be complete square, this is like complete square, right? This is a complete square. So how to make this one has a complete square? Then what should be the a for that? To be complete square, here should be what should be the a? So this is the way we do it. But we divide this one by 2. You don't need to show it. You can do it in mind. Here minus 12 divided by 2 mean minus 6. Get the square of that answer. That means minus 6 square. That means it will be plus 36. So here what you have to do, here you need to put plus 36. Actually here a will be plus 36. Now you can write this is in this format. But you can write here square root of this x, x square. Now here square root of this mean x. If you put the square root here, it will be x. So just sign from this one, and then square root of this. Here again square root of 36 means 6. So now you can write like this. Now this is maybe you have learned little. So what you have to do, if you simplify this, you will get again this answer, right? So detail, no, this is, you can write like this. So definitely this a should be 36, and then you can convert this way. If you convert that, then this b represent minus 6. So here a will be what, the 36, and b will be minus 6, right? That's the answer, O and B.